Nazar, you did the nazar. So it's just straight and up.
Oh.
It's just straight and here. And then from there you go, you have to drop your hands right away. So you go here, hit. Just drop your hands.
This one time, hit is one time.
Two times.
This
Right,
back,
left.
right,
Two times. Right, left.
Right, left. Okay,
Huh.
there's one hit.
And keep your hands, don't stick your hands, boys. When you go here, ready, tayyar. Keep them slightly away because if they're too close to your hips, then it doesn't look good. So keep it slightly away. And then it starts. Last time, then we go on. From there, boom, boom. The boys go towards the girls' shoulder. So you're going shoulders going forward. अपने आगे ऐसे forward. हाँ. Yeah, and keep your hands on your waist. So you're just going here. So you did hit. So कब से हो ready तैयार पटाले सैया. So you're looking at the girls and you're going towards them. Some girls are going in towards them. And the other girls who are not in the partner will be doing this. Like, yeah. So for right now, everybody just go in, towards the boys, yeah. So, batale thing, forward. Okay? Now keep your fingers together. So let's try that. 5. Let's take it from ready. So we got that batale saying two shoulders. From there, the boys are going to go towards the right side and the girls are going to go towards the, so girls are here, right? Girls are going to go left and the boys are going to go right. So it's kind of like the, this step which we did for Radha, cross out, just going cross out. But you are going down and up. So girls are crossing the right leg first. So girls went here, so you're going down and up. Boys, you went this way, right, you're going to go cross your left, straight. Don't turn your body because then it takes more time. Just keep it more flat. Yeah. And bend into it. When you cross, bend. So you go bend, up. You have to put your weight on that foot. Don't just touch it, otherwise it's hard. You have to actually step up. Yeah.
They are coming here and we are going there and we go back.
So we're crossing each other?
You'll be crossing. The girls will go in front, but don't worry about that for now.
Not hit your body.
Okay, let's try it from, so it goes, okay, let's try that. 5, 6, 7, 8, shoulder, no, first shoulder. Remember go shoulder, you're going towards each other. 5, 6, 7, 8, shoulder, down, up.
Oh, shoulder first.
Shoulder. ये किया था ना ये shoulder. That 5, 6, 7, 8, shoulder, down and up. Across first.
It's not the shoulder same time.
Yeah. So no, you're also doing it. So if you're standing.
Then we are moving them again.
No, then there's a hand with that.
Yeah.
So we go. So girls. So you're going right. Your hand is like on a phone. Switch. So it goes right, left. It should look like a phone, not some funky thing. So right, but you have to drop the other hand. So right, left, left. Yeah. Boys, you're going which way? This way, right? So you're going to go left, right, left. Just do your hands once. shoulder, phone, phone, phone. Is it too much?
No.
It will happen, right?
Sure.
It goes, but I say I missed you for the city. I can slow it down if it's not possible. We can always go missed call, let's say. We can go double, but please practice and try it.
So the hand is opposite hand, the leg that moves out the
It's
other
the
hand?
same.
Ah,
So
okay.
when I step with my left, it's the left hand, and then when I step with the right, it's my right hand. And then again, when I step with the left, it's the left hand.
Okay.
When I step with the right, it's the right. Yeah, it's not
It's your
opposite.
leg.
Yeah, I think I was probably doing the girl's hand. Girls start with the right, and boys start with the left. Try it again. 5, 6, 7. Just do the cross out. 6, 7, 8. Cross and out. Cross and out. Then you have to start with the other hand, left hand. Your phone looks fine, but start with the left hand. Yeah. And again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Down and up. Down and up. हाँ हो गया. वही तो है. Now once you guys get it, then you can. Once you guys get the step, then you guys can make the level change more dramatic. But that's it. It's not that hard. Let me see the first 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, down, up, down and up. हाँ वो हाथ और पैर साथ चलते रहता है. Again 5.
पैर के साथ time is
You have to remember to cross first. 5, 6, 7, 8, cross and up, cross and up. Yeah. And you're always crossing in the front. And don't turn your shoulders, guys. It's not this. Your shoulders should be facing forward the entire time. After you do this, when you do this, it's very flat towards the mirror. It's not an angle. You're not doing anything with your shoulders. It's too fast. There's not enough time to do all that. Yeah, so you just want to keep flat. The other thing which helps is to turn out your feet. Every time you're traveling horizontally, if you travel with parallel feet, it's much harder. If you turn your guys pay attention. If you turn your feet out, that's why in ballet they always do this because they do a lot of horizontal movements. So if you turn your feet out, it's much easier to travel. अगर ऐसे करोगे, you can try it. You have to kind of get your leg around, so it's much harder. If you just open your feet to the sides, it's much easier. Yeah. Okay. Let's try it from. So let me do the boys part first, and then I'll do the girls part. Angra is a different section altogether. So this is मैं तो कब से मैं तो कब से हूँ ready तैयार पटा ले भैया. Which way you guys are going this way? Sorry. Left. Let's. So you got that? Ready तैयार shoulder shoulder. Yeah. You look very confused. Are you okay? Yeah.
Always confusing.
Let's do it slow. 6, 7, 8. मैं तो कब से हूँ ready तैयार. I do it. So hard to keep switching boys and girls. I'm like, am I a boy right now? Here. Yeah. Okay. Again 6, 7, 8. मैं तो कब से हूँ ready तैयार पटा ले भैया. Left hand and left foot. Okay. Once more. 5, 6, 7. मैं तो कब से मैं तो कब से हूँ ready तैयार पटा ले भैया. Missed voice. Then go down with the audience. Yeah, kind of. Girls, what did we do? We did मैं तो कब से हूँ ready. God.
You send a phone missing again.
पहले तो फोन बज रहा पता नहीं ना जैसे पता नहीं कहाँ से sound like my like the 90s or whatever.
India.
मैं तो कब से we did so girls did मैं तो कब से हूँ ready तैयार पटा ले. सही है. You went towards the boys, right?
Left makan.
Yeah, you go towards the boys.
Free है.
And this hand is not here. It has to be raised. Not on the shoulders. Hands are on the side. Yeah, like this. You're going towards the boys. Or left. Yeah. Yeah. And your shoulder. It's just a lean. But don't turn your shoulders. So it's just like you guys are coming towards each other. So Hariam could just do the step like the shoulder, shoulder. So this thing 5, 6, 7, 8. So you're going shoulder, shoulder. So you have to come this way. So 6, 7, 8 shoulder. So it's just like a slight lean. It's not a very big step. It's just more subtle.
Yeah.
You look at each other.
Yeah.
Okay. So try that 6, 7. मैं तो कब. Try from the cup 6, 7. मैं तो कब से ready तैयार. पढ़ता ले सैया इसके. Same as Radha, just cross it up.
Yeah.
Yeah, but see, don't turn so much. It's just here. Turn your feet. Guys, so what I noticed with a lot of you is you're keeping your feet parallel and you're turning your body. You're doing something like this. It's the opposite. Your body stays here, your feet turn out. So you have to go, no, see my feet. My feet are, my toes are facing opposite directions.
I can start on too.
That makes it much easier to travel like that. Otherwise,
15 minutes
it's like trying to get stuck in your
15 minutes.
Try it again, 6, 7.
No problem.
I want you guys to all practice your phones, all the girls. Phones are very bad. They look like something. I don't know how phone they describe. It needs to be very clear as a phone. I didn't even know the lyrics when I saw the choreography. I could just tell it's a phone. And heard the lyrics. So this has to be very clear. It can't be some funky thing. It's here. No, they have to take out the again, girls like 6, 7. मैं तो कब से ready तैयार पढ़ता ले सैया and the other girls are going to be doing because instead of doing this, they are going to be doing yeah. So whoever's not doing the partner part, you guys are going to be doing Partale Saiya. Almost the same. Instead of just doing this, you're going to be doing Partale Saiya missed chord.
घर से भी निकलवा देंगे मुझसे ये जो बिगड़ गए आप वहाँ जाके
Guys, it's only one fast step, so don't. You guys have done like a lot of dances which have been so much faster. So I don't know why you guys are suddenly feeling like, oh God, itna fast hai. This is a very slow song actually. So this one step is fast. So don't start panicking.
Easier to leave it like this down.
That's fine, but then take it all the way down. That's fine. You can leave your phone in your hand, you don't drop it, but it should. I don't want to see this. That doesn't make sense. You can go missed call, say. So I'm leaving it as a phone, but it should still be clear. And I really can't. So basically, your knuckles should be touching your cheek almost. All three, or almost like all three, and you have to pull your elbow up. If you don't pull your elbow up, this is what's going to happen. And it's like, from the audience's point of view, you can just see one finger. You can't really tell what is happening. So you have to kind of make sure you lift that elbow up. That's very important. Okay, let's try the boys part. Girls, you do your part.
How we enter rhythm?
Don't worry about that here. Because I don't know when you're coming here.
We are not getting where we start. That's why I'm saying.
Oh, मेरे मैं तो कब से
When we should do this one?
मैं तो कब से you can just go
मैं तो कब से?
मैं नहीं it goes मैं तो कब से So it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
That's
I'll count it. So the 7, 8 you pose. I'll do that.
Okay.
You'll hear that. It goes मैं तो कब से ta na 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 मैं तो कब से, then it starts again.
Still I'm missing on that.
It goes ta na 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 na. So imagine you're running ta na 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 na, and then it goes right away. Right? It's ta na 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 na. So it's 5 and 6 and 7. Girls, you know what's happening?
Yeah.
Let's do this like 2 more times and then we'll go to the beginning and do the girls part. Actually, let's take it from the top. Let's do the girls part and then go into this. You guys can just stay a little bit to the side. Stay here.
प्रैक्टिस हो जाएगा।
हाँ?
हो जाएगा।
Yeah, 1 second late. You're on me.
Yeah.
That's okay.
That's okay. You guys just learned it. It'll be hard. Let's do it a few more times so we can get it from bottom.
I'm gonna come up with it.
leaning to the left, so your weight is on this leg. Because I'm leaning here, so I can't pick up this foot without, my weight is already all on this foot. So I have to pick up this foot and cross. But you have to go down here. You have to go down. So I'm here, 6, 7, 8, down, up, down, up. So you're doing ulta hand. It's this, your hands and your feet are moving the same time. It's going 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's going 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah?
Lunchtime we can practice.
Huh?
Lunchtime we can practice.
What lunchtime you have? Let's do it again.
आज cake
That is more important.
मेरे फोटो को सीने से मेरे फोटो
क्या हुआ इशांति?
मैं जब जोर जोर से आह की आवाज
Why are you sitting in one corner?
मैं जब जोर जोर से आह की आवाज है आती है रोर से मैं तो चलो इस कदर मजा आए मजा होश वाले भी होश आए नजर मेरे फोटो को सीने से चिपका ले सैया भी कान से मेरे फोटो को सीने से चिपका ले सैया भी कान से भी कान है मैं तो कब से हूँ रेडी तैयार बता ले सैया इस कान से मेरे फोटो को सीने से चिपका ले सैया भी कान से
वो है तो
You can't from here to there.
Huh?
You can't from here to there.
Okay, can we do it? Do you want to do it one last time?
last time.
Please practice, guys.